All right, it's time to graph linear relations. How do we do this? Step one is to create a table of values that have x and y. These will be your coordinates so that you can graph it later. All you have to do is use the equation. Plug in different x's. So I'm gonna start with -4. You can start with whatever you want. I usually start in the negatives and I work my way up to +4. -4, put them in. Now we solve the equation. -4 times -4, that's +16. Plus 1, 17. Okay, so under a y for -4, 17. Let's do the next one. -3. Okay, you get 12. 12 plus 1, 13. There you go. Now we notice a little pattern going on here. To get from 17 to 13, you have to -4. To get from 13 to 9, you have to -4. So I'm going to assume the pattern is -4 every time. So I can guess the rest of them without having to use this guy. So 9 minus 4. Now what is this? These are your ordered pairs or your coordinates. This would be our ordered pair, where this is our x value, this is our y value. Now we can go ahead and put this on a graph. 1 and -3. So 1 and -3, 1 is our x value, -3 is our y value. Remember, x and y axes are labeled here. So let's begin. Find 1 on your x-axis. Here it is, I found it. Next up, you find your y, which is -3. He's down here. So you find the point where they meet. Point B at 0 and 1. So our x coordinate, x value is 0. There he is. Our y coordinate, y value is 1 up here. So the point would be right here. This is point B. Point C, let's do it right here. -1 and 5. Find -1 on your x-axis, there he is, and find +5 on your y-axis. Where do they meet? And label your point.